and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Toilfo PT-15B video fill light. This thing has bicolor soft light, it's high power, and it's pocket sized. Let me flip it over for more of the description. It's a LED camera light panel. It's built with aluminum alloy frame. It has excellent heat dissipation. It has a digital display that shows intensity and color temperature, and it also comes with a hat shoe. The price in this one, $45.99. On Amazon, I will have a link down in the description. Now let me, this is not an unboxing because I've already been using it. I actually got this to upgrade from the current lighting I'm using. I'm using one of those video rings that's really meant for cell phones. To me, it's really everyone I've seen using video rings use it with a cell phone. I just also see a few people use it with DSLRs, but mostly I see cell phones being used on it. People use their smartphones. I'm gonna file this to the side. Now I'm gonna pull the unit down. So now this is everything that comes in the box. It comes with the unit itself. This is the video fill light. Comes with the battery. This is a F50. It's a 7.4 volts. It's a 2200 milliamp an hour. And it also comes with a charger, the shoe mount, and the USB cable. Now I'm gonna focus on the unit. Now this is really built solid. It feels really light. It's really light. Even when I put this on my camera, it's very, very light. Now this is where you put your battery, and this is the display. You have your power button, your mode button, your minus button, and your plus button. So now you can also put the shoe mount on the bottom. You can put it on the side, on either side. There's nothing on the top. Right here, it opens up. And this light gets really, really bright. Gets really, really bright. The color temperature ranges from 3200K to 5600K. I'm gonna pop the battery in here for demonstration. Goes in pretty easy. If you tap it once, sometimes it takes a little while. I noticed that when you put the battery in first, it doesn't really, I didn't put it all the way. I noticed that you have to make sure it clicks in. So that's something I've noticed when I do it. Sometimes I don't put it in right. I have to make sure I put it here and then make sure it clicks in. If it doesn't click, it doesn't turn on. See, now it's in. I tapped it. It's showing me the battery level. That's at 99%. To turn it on, you want to hold it for a second, and then it turns on. Right now it's on 10%, and even 10% it's bright. It's very bright. It can go all the way up to 99%, which I'm going to do right now. It's very bright at 99%. 99%. Turn it down to about 50. Now I do notice the highest on this is 99. It doesn't go to 100 because it's only a double-digit display. Also, you can change if you change the mode and you go down to C. Right here, you can now change the color temperature. So right now it's on 5600K. You could turn it down, and now it's on 32, and it's now on the warm color temperature. You can turn it up maybe about 46, and you get both. Now you have the bicolor. And and if you turn it all the way up, The 56, you just get the cold colors. The cool colors, that's it. Now, as I mentioned before, there is an option for, you can get the optional remote that doesn't come in the box. You can buy that separately. And there's an option for that. There's a mode for that. You would hold on the mode button for a second and it comes up. These are the different channels that you want to sync your controller up to this on. So it's from channel 1. I don't know what the max channel is, but it can keep going. So I'm guessing up. So up to 99. So you have 99 channels where you can sync your remote up to this. But that doesn't come in the box. I will leave links in the description to all of this. This has been, I've used it to make a video and it was actually perfect. Now, the only thing I gotta say, I do wish it was a little bit bigger, but for but the brightness of it is very awesome. I probably will pick up one more of these to complete, to have my lighting okay. But right now, I do use this in conjunction with the video ring. And I do like the option that it has. You can mount it this way, this way, this way. It doesn't really matter. Or you can just mount it like this and probably mount this on top of your camera. And then you can probably mount your shotgun mic and so other accessories on the sides. And overall, this is a great light. I would strongly recommend this, especially if you are a beginner like myself. I'm just starting out, so this is a great option if you're just starting out. But just want to say before I go that please hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell notification and leave a comment down below. This is Drew's Tech, signing off until next time.